Samsung officially confirms Galaxy S21 event for January 14. Samsung will officially be announcing its latest lineup of Galaxy flagship phones, rumored to be the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra on January 14, the company confirmed through invitations to a new Galaxy Unpacked event. The tagline: "Welcome to the everyday epic," as the theme for the event, where the latest version of its Galaxy S smartphone is expected to make its debut. The event will kick off at 7 a.m. PT 10 a.m. Eastern Time. The company is widely expected to announce 3 new smartphones at the event, successors to last year's Galaxy S20 lineup. A pair of matching S21 and S21 Plus phones that are expected to be largely similar, except for size, and a more premium S21 Ultra model that will offer even better specs and cameras, similar to its 2020 counterpart, in addition to a curved display and support for Samsung's S Pen stylus. Over the past year, mobile technology has taken center stage in everyday life as people are working remotely and spending more time at home, Samsung said. The accelerated transition to a mobile-first world brings with it the need for devices that can transform everyday life into an extraordinary experience. Samsung likely will have 3 different models of the flagship phone: the 6.2-inch S21, the 6.7-inch S21 Plus, and the 6.8-inch S21 Ultra. The devices are expected to look largely the same but have bigger camera modules, boosting their photo and video capabilities. The company may also discontinue its Galaxy Note line this year and replace it with S Pen support on its Galaxy S21 Ultra. Early renders don't show a visible location for a stylus, which may mean it has to be housed separately from the phone when not in use. On Samsung's popular but niche Note lineup, the stylus slides into the device for storage. Samsung will also have a press conference at CES on January 11. On that event, it's expected to focus on its TV and home appliance businesses, as it's done in past years. Unpacked will be the last day of CES. A January 14 date for Unpacked comes earlier than normal for Samsung. In the past, the company has typically unveiled its newest flagship phone in February, either slightly before or during the Mobile World Congress trade show, and then released the device in March or even April. Tae-moon Roh, Samsung's president and head of mobile communications, published a blog post in mid-December with details about the company's plans for 2021. Along with saying the company would share more in January, Roh said Samsung in 2021 would expand its foldable lineup and make the devices more accessible, likely code for lowering prices, as well as put more emphasis on the camera and video capabilities in its devices. The company will also bring features from its Galaxy Note devices to other phones in its portfolio, which is likely to include S Pen support on its upcoming Galaxy S21 phones. "We have never believed in a one-size-fits-all mobile experience and we never will," Roh wrote. He added that Samsung is working on revolutionary advancements in 5G, artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things that will redefine the parameters of what mobile can do and give consumers the freedom to tailor their mobile experiences to fit their lives, not the other way around. Along with new connectivity capabilities and AI features, Samsung in 2021 plans to make it easier to quickly locate the things that matter most, from your keys to your wallet, even your family pet. The company is expected to introduce physical tile-style smart trackers, possibly called Galaxy Smart Tags, to help people keep track of their possessions using Bluetooth. Apple has long been rumored to be working on its own AirTags, but it hasn't yet unveiled anything in that arena. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe.